In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smart discount pop-up on Shopify. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the left menu, open your online store and head to the Themes area so your storefront is ready for app embeds later. Then, return to your admin home to keep things simple for the next steps. Open the Apps section in the sidebar. Here, you'll see your installed apps and a way to find new ones. Use the search to visit the Shopify App Store and type in Popupsmart. This is the tool we'll use to build a smart, targeted discount pop-up. On the app's listing page, take a moment to review the description, screenshots, and pricing so you know what you're getting. You might see extra overlays or details while browsing. If a preview or modal opens, just close it to get back to the main listing. When you're ready, select the Popupsmart AI pop-up A/B test listing to proceed. Click Install to add the app to your store. Shopify will show the standard permission and confirmation screen. Confirm install again to complete. After installation, you'll land in the app's dashboard. Click Setting Up to begin the onboarding flow, and continue through the welcome screen so the app can connect to your store. Next, enable the App Embed so your pop-up can actually appear on your theme. Click Enable App Embed when prompted. Shopify will open the theme editor, where you'll find app embeds in the left panel. Toggle Popupsmart on, then save your theme changes. If you're asked again to enable, confirm it once more to make sure it's active. Back in Popupsmart, click Create Campaign. You'll be asked, what's your goal? This is important because it tailors the pop-up's design and targeting. For a smart discount pop-up, pick a goal that aligns with offering a coupon or boosting conversions. Something like collecting emails with a discount code, reducing abandonment with an exit intent offer, or encouraging a purchase with a time-limited deal. Choosing the right goal ensures the app suggests the best layout, triggers, and rules out of the box. A few quick tips as you make that selection. Keep your headline clear, highlight the value of the discount, and keep the form as short as possible to reduce friction. Make sure the colors match your brand, and preview on mobile to confirm readability. Once the goal is selected, you're in the perfect spot to customize the content, set display rules, and start A/B testing inside the app's workflow. That's it. Your smart discount pop-up foundation is in place and ready for fine-tuning.